Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the house and the garage project that starts today. Alright, so this is a work in progress that is starting officially today. So I've already went ahead and painted this wall. There's 2 coats of Behr paint and primer, ultra pure white, 1050 I believe is the paint code, and this is the drywall portion. There's only 2 coats on this. I'm probably going to need another 1 to 2 coats for full coverage. I've already picked up some Swiss Trax flooring. I could not beat the deal. Yes, it needs to be cleaned. I probably need to get 1 more stack. The garage is about a little over 500 square feet. But I did get the edging already. The downside to this is the color of the garage is like a creamy beige, a little bit of a tinted creamy beige, and you can see it at the right angle through the flooring, especially if you're standing directly on top of it. I don't like that. So I might paint the garage floor black and then install the Swiss Trax. But I've got the fridge, which is just an alcohol fridge. I've got this stuff over here, which is all my cleaning supplies. Yep, Adam's out. A couple of tools, some towels that I need to clean. No, they're not sitting on the floor. They're in a bag. And then some unorganized tools over here. All of this paint came with the house except those 2. That's what I'm using to do the walls of the garage. It's already plumbed for water. I just need to get the correct fittings. Once I get the toolbox and cabinet set up in here against that wall, we'll put the tools and everything on that side. Have my wall mounted pressure washer here. I don't know if I'm going to put the vacuum here or if I'm going to put the vacuum over there where there's an outlet. I don't want to have too many friggin' wires. Everything looks decent in here. Just needs to be cleaned, painted, get the flooring done. Whoever painted the garage painted the flooring the same color. So why you would do that, I don't freaking know. But I'm gonna go to Home Depot and get some black paint and also a leaf blower, and we're gonna get started. But today is just the intro video. I want to show you guys the blank canvas minus the unfinished walls. And I did add this just screw in 3-way LED. I gotta figure out something with this because that drives me nuts. I know it's a easy access point for the attic, but it drives me freaking batty. Now obviously you can't see how bright this is right now because it's daylight out, but at night I'll show you guys a clip of how well lit this place is. I do want to get some sort of window film to block out the UV rays and the amount of light that actually comes in here, because as I show you later, it really allows a lot of light in here. Which could be a bad thing, could be. But blank canvas, so let's get started. Alright, so I got the edge of the lip started. Now I did buy these secondhand. I did not buy them brand new. I ended up getting them for a crazy steal. But all the edges are there. Everything's there. Looks decent, it just needs to be cleaned. The only thing I don't like is right here, there's like a little lip until it hits the concrete or the outside of the concrete. But when I shut the door, there's probably about 2 inches. But it's coming along. Sure, slowly but surely. So I'm gonna work my way through. I initially said I was gonna paint this black, but I'm just gonna install it and see how I like it. And if not, I can take it off. This took me all of, I don't know, 2 minutes. So I'm gonna work my way back, see how it goes. All right, got the little helpers out. Got 3 rows. So realized I actually have the wrong edges. I installed them originally with the edges already and then realized that I would have to pull up every tile individually to install. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna do whatever I have here left. Got 2.5 stacks. And then I'm gonna buy the looped edges. Only need about 13 pieces. So work in progress. What do you think, Hensley?
Good.
Super easy, right?
Mm-hmm. Oh, look inside here. You gotta flip it. See these flat edges? You gotta put it on the flat edges.
Make sure you line them up and you don't break the little pegs because each tile is rather pricey. Look at that. Snap, crackle, pop, just like some corn pops. All right, let's keep going. Okay, finally got everything done. Now some of the tiles are a little dirty, but that's easy. Clean it off. I probably need to get probably two boxes so I can do some cuts along the edge. It's about 5 inches on each side. And then I slightly ran out of tile. I only had 222 black tiles that were sold to me, and then I was given about 20 or 22 green tiles. I was going to use those as a border along all 3 sides, but there's not enough because there's 13 across, or maybe 15. Yeah, I think there's 15 across, and I haven't really counted how many deep, but it's not enough green ones to go around. So, done. What do you think, guys? Let me know, aside from the dirty tiles. I'm gonna wipe them all down. Looks good to me. Next is finish the painting, get some lighting in here, and then I can get some toolboxes, put them on that back wall, pressure washer, wall mounted vacuum, and then we should be golden. Let me know what you think, guys. See you guys on the next video.